Welcome to Ashburn Driving School. Today we have mist on the road. We're going down a highway. There's my exit, Winchester, Fairfax. It's yellow at the bottom with a black arrow, and notice that the lines went to dots on my left. So up ahead, this lane's going to exit. And the way you tell is by the dots and you look at the signs. But the main issue today is the drizzle. So we keep going in and out of bands of drizzle. And you can tell up ahead because everything starts to turn gray. That's where your heavy drizzle is. And you start to see that the road gets dark, which is when it's wet. So you'll notice some of the cars have lights on, some of the cars don't. Anytime you use your windshield wipers, you have to manually turn your lights on because it's still light enough that the sensor for the lighting isn't going to bring your lights on. So I've manually turned on the lights. Regulation is anytime you use your wipers that you have to use, anytime it's raining outside and you have to use your wipers, you have to turn on your lights. Okay, now I'm going to exit here. I'm looking at the white truck. I'm in front of it. I'm coming over. There's the yellow sign. So the speed on this road, this exit, is 25. I'm keeping the right side of the car by the white line on the right. Halfway around, I've turned my signals off. And now I'm going to put on my left signal because I'm going to be merging to the left. I'll look over to my left real quick. No cars coming. I'm going to start to accelerate. End of the white line on my left. I look at my mirror, look over my shoulder, and I come over and speed's 45. Now I'm looking at the yellow diamonds on my right, so there's another lane coming from the right where that dark truck is. But that is also an exit lane. Now I'm going to put on my left signal, look over my shoulder, come over gently. I'm looking at the light up ahead, and I'm going to start to brake, looking at the tires of the car in front of me. Well, that's all for today. Have a wonderful day. Hit the like button and subscribe.